Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday inaugurated the newly constructed Jengjal police station in West Garo Hills in the presence of senior police officials, district authorities and community members. Speaking at the program, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya said the new station was one of the best in the state and strategically located to ensure better public service and operational efficiency. He noted that the Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund had simplified repairs and upgrades of police stations and said recruitment for over 3,000 police vacancies was nearing completion. He also announced that the state government would sanction Rs 50 crore for work at Jengjal Airport within the month.
This is built from the PIR fund only?
No, sir, this is from...
Additional.
There was a custodial value. There was custodial debt that they come and tell you about. So that's why you know
facility aro mongsong batte India sorkarili je requirement pas standard rangko norms rangko malekharango siachun ya norms pa ya lekharango pangchake arwani basis o ya police station ko rakaha unigaman nambat kapa police station nambat kapa infrastructure ane agadoba gwalani tungja aro ya modelo pangchake makhangchi dentang achini police station ako upgrade kana gatal infrastructure ko create kana building lang ko rukna makhangchi ya design aru ya color combination ko chinga.
So we are here in Jengjal in West Garo Hills, and you can see this beautiful new building behind me. This is a modern police station, and we're so happy that this has been inaugurated. And just for the information of our citizens, that this police station has been made as per the standards that have been laid down by Government of India. So this is one of the most modern as well as full facilities and infrastructure police station in the entire state, and we are hopeful that slowly we'll be able to replicate this model and have this in other parts of the state also.
DGP Ida Shisha Nongrang said the building marked a major step forward for the police department, equipped with modern facilities, child-friendly spaces and a women's help desk. She said the station would strengthen community engagement and future policing needs.
General room, your OC's room, etc. But we also have what we are now mandated to have: a child-friendly room, a separate area for the women help desk, and hopefully we will be able to serve the people of Jengjal much better as we move forward.